this is the fit today. I got the matching jacket and the matching shorts, and then just a cute little orange top here.
Martha, remember my stuff goes.
Oh my god, I'm just supposed to be sitting here. Haha. This is my dad's stuff. I used to go over here at the bottom as well. Symphony.
Don't have to close the door, my darling.
I'm not closing the door. Oh, I know what you mean now. Yeah, I know, but it's fine now. No, but it's fine now, because like... Boom. Takalaka. Boom, boom.
I can't believe there's nowhere for my yellow shirt.
That I don't know. I want to get your thing jacked. These people want to get their things jacked. Look. People want to get these things. My job's done jacked. Jacked. What?
Sounds like mom showering twice.
She's not showering twice, I don't think. Okay. I've got to take this stuff in the car. I was going to sell it to her. Remember I promised you guys, but like, I forgot. So as I'm packing away, maybe you can look. And then you just saw my dad. Wow. Hey, it's actually not that hot out here. Today, at least. For now. It's gonna get hot, but like... Woo. I just put the stuff on top of my thing, because the cooler box has to go here. But, Mom and Dad are saying that I have to go, like, my mom and dad are saying that we have to go to the shops. Okay. It'll just be fine. They want more drinks. I want to get more drinks, so we like basically ran out. So, yeah. And this is all for now, so yeah. Okay, I'll go just drag this by the car. Or dirty clothes.
Is that your new place for the button?
It's that shirt. Ow, that hurt me. Ouch, look what it did. Yeah, focus. Look what it did. The freaking suitcase. Look what it did. Ow. Well, back in the crew. Okay, it's dead. It's bugging.
Very nice. Apparently that railway line used to go to Mozambique.
Oh, that one up there. Just gonna have like breakfast. Here by the crocodile before we start going. Because my parents want great breakfast. I really don't want anything. So yeah, I'm just probably gonna have like some thing else or I don't know. Oh man, it's too hot. It's freaking way too hot.
We're just gonna get a little bit of whatever we need here, and we're gonna put some more out.
Please, it's way too hot. My legs hurt. I'm sweating.
To like take more diuretics.
This is literally like the first time I'm sweating like a pig. Ish. I swear this is like my first time sweating like a pig. I don't sweat like this.
Melt.
I will melt. How are people wearing pants? These people are insane.
It was like this all the time. 40, 42 every day. 30
So
on
hot.
in summer, in winter. Look,
In winter it was 30.
no, I've never ever got cold.
Ha ha. I need to go to the
It's on
bathroom.
the edge of the desert.
This must be hot.
Eh?
Must be hot living at the edge of the desert.
Yep.
Mom, you're gonna see me look like a whole tomato. The thing is, it was this hot at Marloth, but I haven't sweated like this.
Yeah, come on, let's go to the bathroom.
Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Hello everyone, I know it's a little later than the last time I recorded. It is because it was extremely hot in the Kruger, so I could not record. My phone was about to like literally explode. So now we're later at Elephant Walk Retreat. We're right by the river, right by Kruger, right there. And well, we just swam in that pool over there, but I don't think you can see it. But like, I'll vlog maybe when I go, maybe tomorrow or something. It's weird, Dad. But it was really nice today seeing what we saw. Basically, we saw the exact same 2 lions when we went in and out. They were just chilling, sleeping. And then we also saw a hyena, and like basically it was just buffalo we came across. We just like looked at there was buffalo, but then I saw a hyena come with some red meat and then got basically chased by the buffalo because he just got like he was snorting at the hyena. Then he went behind us, and I took some good photos of him and stuff, and also I took some other photos of some things. But yeah, it's also on my granddad's camera, which I will show later. But yeah, basically that's what happened. We also went to Mug and Bean, and it was still boiling. You know, there's some typical like Americans and little children trying to catch the birds, which is weird because they were like going all arms in.
We saw leopards under the tree.
Yes. Oh yeah, the leopards were mating. Cat. And everyone was like going all berserk about the leopards were mating under the tree. So like, there was just some other one just lying somewhere else. So there's 3 leopards. But to be fair, but people say that the elephants like shooed them away, like they scattered them. So yeah, my dad did get photos of them though. But yeah, basically that's what happened during the time. That's why the literal sun is about to come down soon. So yeah, that's basically what we're doing. That's what's happening, and basically yeah. Okay. Ish.
That doesn't look very sharp, that knife. Is there not a sharper one with a serrated edge?
I don't know. That's still fun. Can I still put it in?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna try and look for a serrated knife. Ish, there's still a serrated one. Now describe serrated.
Wiggly one, not a straight one like that.
Oh, I think I know what you mean. But this is fine for now.
Okay.
And then I'll get that one for the cucumber. Or you're gonna use that one?
Mm.
You're gonna use that one for that one, so then I can use it.
Mm.
Yay, I'm finally cooking. I never cook. Could you technically call it cooking if you're not actually using?
No.
Okay. go down, start with there. You start there, and then you go wee. And then you move it apart, and go wee. And then there's a tomato. Give me the tomato. Thank you. Tomatoes. Yay. Woo, multiple tomatoes. And then, yeah. Ooh. That tomato. I know that sounds kind of sus, but like, we're just not gonna mention it. Is he up
can go in the bin.
Boom. And this is all the bin. Okay, I'll go be master chef and go. Okay.
It should be fine with that now, Charlotte.
So this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Cut it. No. First, no. Turn it upright. Cut it down the middle. Just don't chop your fingers off. Okay. That's a bit cockeyed, but anyway.
I haven't done things like
slice it.
I'm a
Not
cook.
slice it, not chunk it.
I will. I'm chunking it like this, and then I'm gonna slice.
Charlotte.
I'm not dumb.
Didn't say you were done, but you're cutting wedges there. I don't want wedges of cucumber.
You know what? Wait.
Yeah. Okay, chuck it in. Not so small.
You asked slices. All of it.
Yes.
Can you point the camera?
Yes. And the rest?
I'm gonna do the rest.
Mind your fingers. You're going to chop your fingers off.
Why?
Turn it this way, Charlotte.
Which way? This way.
Like that.
Okay. So don't chop off my fingers. Okay, it's hard on this side. But I'm doing it, see? I'm not a complete idiot. I'm not a complete idiot, huh? I have to go down like that. Okay, I figured it out.
Okay, I think that's enough. Let me chop the rest up.
No.
No, you're going to chop your fingers off. Come here. No, you're cutting chunks, man.
It's not a chunk. It's not a chunk.
Yeah,
You asked
stop.
me to do. You're doing. Ah, how do you do that? Okay, Mom, you're skilled. I get it. So easy. Okay, Mom, you're skilled. And you're eating it. Can I help anymore? Can I? I want to shake the salad. Like, look. It's a salad that I made, kind of. Not really. Well, we know now. Go throw this away. Should I just throw this away in the bin? Is that okay? I'm just gonna put that on the ground so I can actually take this. Yo, it's dark. You can see nooks over here on the camera. Yep. Put the lid back on. And donk. Whew. At least I helped a bit. Here's the cutting board. Okay. Well, I sort of made this. I kind of made it. But,
Kind of get away, find a quiet place to be alone.